Action!
Start by pumping up your gray 260 balloon and tie a knot. We're going to start by making a pinch twist, and then a loop twist, and then a 3 centimeter bubble, and then a pinch twist, and then we're going to make a 3 centimeter bubble and one more pinch twist. That makes one arm. Now we're going to continue with the body with an 8 centimeter bubble and then a pinch twist. And then another 8 centimeter bubble back to a pinch twist that we made. And then we're going to make one last 8 centimeter bubble back to the second pinch twist. So this finishes one arm and the body. Now we're going to make the other arm, so we're going to do a 3 centimeter bubble, a pinch twist, a 3 centimeter bubble, another pinch twist, then we're going to pop off the balloon and release the air out until you get an 8 centimeter bubble. And we're going to turn that 8 centimeter bubble into a loop twist. So as you can see, there's all the joints and the shoulder, the forearm, and the hands. Now we're going to pump up our 260 white balloon, but just a little bit, and we're going to tie a knot. We're going to tie the nozzle onto one of the pinch twists next to the head, and we're going to make two 3 centimeter bubbles. And we're going to stretch it across and tie it on the pinch twist on the other side. And then you can cut off the rest of that balloon and tie a knot. This is where the eyes are going to go. Adjust it so that the white balloon is squished in between two of the gray 8 centimeter bubbles, so it fits more like eyes. And the twisting part is complete. Onto the drawing. We're going to get a black marker and we're going to draw on some eyebrows. And then some eyes. Color them in. Draw on some wrinkles. And draw on the mouth. Now we're going to draw some patterns on the top so it looks more like rocks. Isn't it easy? And your Balloon Geodude is complete.
Well, I have a Balloon Geodude. Please comment down below what you want us to make next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.